Well, good morning, Yuriki. For in case you don't know, my name is Yuri, and I am making and posting these videos for myself as well as anyone else that might find this content useful. People that watch my videos every day can roughly skip into 2 minutes 30 seconds into the video if you want to miss the intro section. You can skip roughly into about between 5 and 6 minutes if you want to miss the intro section and the evaluation of the prediction that I made yesterday. Everything thereafter will be my prediction for what I think is going to happen today. For new subscribers or new people watching this morning, I basically started making these videos because I could not find the content that I was looking for on a Bitcoin YouTube prediction video in roughly about 10 minutes or less. Plain and simple, I want a video that is going to tell me what is going to happen today. A no nonsense video. A prediction that will tell me in what direction the price is likely to go, number one. Number two, what I should do if it does not go into that intended direction. Um, I want to know where to long, where to short, at what price. Um, I also want to make profit on every 4 hour candle, as far as that is possible. And I want to get out of that trade and I want to move on to the next one. Plus, I want to make money. I do not want to see a video that will tell me that the price is going to go up or it's going to maybe go down. It's a possibility that this is going to happen, but there's also a possibility that that is going to happen. I'm tired of seeing videos of people telling me to go all in, and a day later it's hands in the hands in the hair, and oh goodness, what happened? I don't want to see videos about in what hotel you're staying in, what country on holiday in, um, what car you just bought. In my view, that is all unrealistic expectations of trading that it creates. You are not going to get rich by and become a millionaire by doing one trade. That is unrealistic and not the truth. So, with that said and done, Yuriki, and with understanding that this is not financial advice, I cannot be held accountable or responsible for content that is my own opinion and my own views. Let's jump straight into yesterday. Whew, goodness, and what a day it turned out to be. Yuri, it was more or less the same time exactly as it was yesterday morning. Well, currently this morning. Time now is 20 minutes past 4 in the morning. I'm making this video from the Eastern Cape of South Africa. And it was more or less the same time yesterday where you drew this pink line over here. But at that stage, if you want to go and double check yourself, Yuri, yesterday, exactly more or less just after 6 minutes into the video, you said that personally you think we are due to for upwards movement. You do see a little bit of pressure to push us a little bit down more, well, push us a little bit down more, but I expect that the price will go up. I said that I would personally enter a trade of 41,000, and I would take that long. And I'm thinking that if it goes down from that 41,000, I'm probably expecting somewhere in the region of like a two or a $300 just below 41,000. So let's have a look. Oh goodness. Yuriki, I'm really hoping that someone did take this trade with me. I entered 41,000, and price this morning currently is 43,140. That's a $2,140 price range action that I traded on yesterday. I'm still in my long. I've put in a take profit already, so I'm already in profit, and I'm gonna ride this as long as and as far as I can. So again, $2,130 profit currently. Absolutely fantastic. Well done on that one. Um, what do I think is going to happen today? Well, before I do, what does that prediction do to my track record? Yuriki, you have now made and posted 70 videos in total. Of that 70 videos, 50 of them was correct. So you've reached the halfway century mark. Your 50 correct videos. I've had 8 that was neutral, where the price was exactly the same the next day than it was when I made that video. I had 12 videos of 12 predictions that was incorrect. That gives me an 82.85% correct prediction percentage on my videos. What do I think is going to happen today? Yuriki, goodness, I mean, I'm pretty sure this is going to be quite a lot of, or there will be quite a lot of happy traders in the market this morning. Um, I would imagine, again, on my own personal position, I'm going to ride this as long as I can. Um, Normally, what does happen on trades like this is, and as soon as, and if a trade has broken through a line like this, it normally does come down and test that line again. So I would again, if you're still in the long, I would stay in the long. I would um, decide exactly where to take my profit though, and there might be a good chance that the price could come down and test the region of 42,400 this morning. If it does come down that low, that is where I'll long. Um, I will keep it pretty tight though. Um, we currently, well, let me just zoom out here. We are currently back into an older triangle formation that I've drawn a while ago, but we haven't really filled that one yet. Um, so again, we are now back into this triangle formation over here. This one hasn't really fulfilled yet. Normally on a trade or like a triangle like this, if I draw it like that, it normally tells me that the price will go down. From this triangle, it should have come down to roughly about, let's call it 39,900. That hasn't happened yet, and that's why I'm saying that this triangle has not played out yet. I do think we can go up more. Again, I'm gonna ride this as far as far as I can. Um, if it does go up, absolutely fantastic. I think the highest that it might go um, for today is 45.5. That's more or less what I'm expecting. So again, currently on this one, um, I'll stay in my take profit. If it does come down, I'll take my profit and I will re-enter again a long at 42,350, more or less. 44,400, that is more or less where along. Again, never ever enter a short with everything that you've got at your disposal at once. For example, if you've got a $200 uh, a $200 account balance, your first entry is always $100, and your next 19 entries after that is also $100. You add and you add. You never go in with everything at once. Just for in case the price does go. If you do enter 43, goodness, 42,400 as a long, and the price does come down a little bit more, don't stress about it. Add for every $100. I do see support, even if it goes lower than that. I do see support over there at 41,750. So just add to it. It will give you a better uh, chance of just getting into a break even, because every time you add, your entry price moves a little bit higher, and you just even into a small profit. So yes, that's definitely the way to go today. Um, to, to rub it off, Yuriki. Oh goodness, that was a fantastic one. Again, if you are in a long, stay in your long. Take keep your put in a take profit. If the price does come down, long 40 to 400, but make sure that you do that with not your whole account balance, that you have got enough to cover you and let you enter at least another 19 times if it isn't if it is even necessary. But I am expecting price to go up today. I'm thinking it could go really high. uh, Probably not. It's difficult to say. 2045 is another $2,000 away from here. I'm not sure if we're gonna get that high, but again, I will ride this high. I would ride this as long as I possibly can. Erik, now with that said and done, don't trust what you see always. Um, do your own research. Draw your own triangles. Trust your triangles. Trade your lines. Have a wonderful day.